Hi, I will talk rules in Norway. The weather is cold. About visa, some people can you visit with a visa, but they you get your top one. Check visa before trip. And for a travel, people drive on the right side. You have to follow the drive. You have to drive. You should drive fast. For at morning Norway and the user Norway ground, you can find with cards. People can speak Norway and but you speak English in many places. Is there some rules specials? You have to respect nature. Thank you.